Hello, this is Dr. Jason Kennedy. With me are my two French friends Claire and Jacques. They're French. I just want to remind you to pretend that you are French when you speak. It will really help you to get the accent right, and getting the accent right helps you to be understood. Let's go to the classroom for today's lesson. In Lesson 10, we learned the words for sister and brother. Let's review. Here is, my brother feels fine.
Mon frère va bien.
Mon frère va bien.
Say, my brother feels fine.
Mon frère va bien.
Here is, my sister feels fine.
Ma sœur va bien.
Ma sœur va bien.
Say, my sister feels fine.
Ma sœur va bien.
Did you hear the difference between my for masculine versus feminine nouns? Let's do some more feminine family members. Here is, my mother feels fine.
Ma mère va.
Ma mère va bien.
Say, my mother feels fine.
Ma mère va bien.
Here is, my daughter feels fine.
Ma fille va.
Ma fille va bien.
Say, my daughter feels fine.
Ma fille va bien.
Now, my wife feels fine.
Ma femme va.
Ma femme va bien.
Say, my wife feels fine.
Ma femme va bien.
Here is an interesting case. Here is, my friend feels fine.
Mon ami va.
Mon ami va bien.
Although this is the spelling for female friend, it takes the masculine my. Why? Because the word for friend starts with a vowel. It just sounds better. Say, my friend feels fine.
Mon ami va bien.
Here is, my child feels fine.
Mon enfant va.
Mon enfant va bien.
The word for child can be either masculine or feminine, but either way, it starts with a vowel, so it takes the masculine, my. Say, my child feels fine.
Mon enfant va bien.
Now some masculine family members. Here is, my father feels fine.
Mon père va.
Mon père va bien.
Say, my father feels fine.
Mon père va bien.
And, my son feels fine.
Mon fils va.
Mon fils va bien.
Say, my son feels fine.
Mon fils va bien.
And here is, my husband feels fine.
Mon mari va.
Mon mari va bien.
You say, my husband feels fine.
Mon mari va bien.
Here is, my friend feels fine. Male friend.
Mon ami va.
Mon ami va bien.
Say, my friend feels fine.
Mon ami va bien.
We can finish with he and she. Here is, he feels fine.
Il va.
Il va bien.
Say, he feels fine.
Il va bien.
And lastly, she feels fine.
Elle va.
Elle va bien.
Say, she feels fine.
Elle va bien.
Nicely done. A lot of vocabulary there, so be sure to listen again if you need to. Click the subscribe button above, so we can let you know when new lessons are released. See you next time.